Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain relation between operators. In the last video I told you the finite difference operator. In the finite difference operator means first one is the forward difference operator, backward difference operator and central difference operator. And how to construct the difference tables, that is forward, backward and central difference tables. So in this video I will explain the relationship between the forward difference operator, backward difference operator and shift operator as well as the central difference operator. So first one is relation between forward difference operator del, backward difference operator del and the shift operator E. We know that the forward operator del operate on the function fx, then it will be f x plus h minus f of x, and we write e to the power 1 f of x minus f of x. This is equal to forward operator, difference operator operate on the function fx, or del f of x is equal to e minus 1 f of x. So using right cancellation law, so we obtain forward difference operator del is equal to e minus 1. So this is a relation between the forward difference operator del and shift operator E, or we can write this relation into the form of E is equal to 1 plus del, that is shift operator E is equal to 1 plus forward difference operator del. And also we know that the backward difference operator del operate on the function fx, then it will be f of x minus f of x minus h, and this is equal to f of x minus because we know that the e raised to the power n operate on the function fx is equal to f x plus n h, that is if we taking the negative power of shift operator E, then it will be f of x minus n h. So here this is x minus h, that is the coefficient of h is 1, so we write this expression in the form of the shift operator, so e raised to the power minus 1 f of x, or we write del fx is equal to 1 minus e inverse f of x, again using right cancellation law, so we obtain the backward difference operator del is 1 minus e inverse. So this is a relation between the backward difference operator del and shift operator E, or we can write this expression into the form of E, that is shift operator E is equal to 1 upon 1 minus backward difference operator del. So this is a relation between the shift operator E and backward difference operator del. So here say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now using equation 1 and 2, using equations 1 and 2, so we obtain, because in the equation 1 E is equal to 1 plus forward difference operator del, and in equation 2 E is equal to 1 upon 1 minus backward difference operator del. So we obtain 1 plus forward difference operator del is equal to 1 upon 1 minus backward difference operator del, or after the simplification we obtain forward difference operator del is equal to 1 upon 1 minus backward difference operator del minus 1, and this is equal to del upon, because we can write this as 1 minus backward difference operator del upon 1 minus backward difference operator del, or del is equal to 1 minus 1 minus minus plus del is equal to 1 minus del. So minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled, or forward difference operator del is equal to del upon 1 minus del. So this is a relation between the forward difference operator and backward difference operator. So now the relation between central difference operator delta and shift operator E. So we know that central difference operator delta operate on a function fx, then this is equal to f x plus h upon 2 minus f x minus h upon 2. So using the definition of the shift operator, so we can write the right hand side into the form of e raised to the power 1 upon 2 f of x minus e raised to the power minus 1 upon 2 f of x. Now e raised to the power 1 upon 2 minus e raised to the power minus 1 upon 2 f of x, this is equal to delta f of x. Now using the right cancellation law, so we obtain delta is equal to e raised to the power 1 by 2 minus e raised to the power minus 1 by 2, and this is a relation between the central difference operator delta and shift operator E. Now third one is relation between the average operator mu and shift operator E. So we know that mu f of x is equal to 1 upon 2 f x plus h upon 2 plus f x minus h upon 2. So this, by the definition of the average difference operator mu, so mu of f of x is equal to 1 upon 2 f x plus h by 2 plus f x minus h upon 2. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 by using the definition of the shift operator, that is e raised to the power n f x is equal to f x plus n h. So using this definition, so right hand side written into the form of e to the power 1 by 2 f of x plus e to the power minus 1 by 2 f of x, or mu of f of x is equal to 1 upon 2 e to the power 1 upon 2 plus e to the power minus 1 upon 2 f of x. So by using the right cancellation law, so we obtain mu is equal to 1 upon 2 e raised to the power 1 upon 2 plus e raised to the power minus 1 upon 2. So this is a relation between the average difference operator mu and shift operator E. So these are the relations between the different difference operators. So now I am going to explain the one most important theorem, which is known as the differences of a polynomial. So the nth differences of a polynomial of nth degree are constant, and all higher order differences are 0 when the values of the independent variable are at equal intervals. That is, if we have a polynomial, say f of x is equal to a x to the power n plus or a1 x की power n plus a2 x की power n minus 1 plus a3 x की power n minus 2 plus and so on plus an. And in this way, if we compute the difference of the polynomial fx, then difference of the polynomial fx, so it will be f of x plus h minus f of x. And say f of x is equal to, if we taking a particular example, so say f of x is equal to x की power 2 plus 3x plus 5. so this is del of x square plus 3x plus 5. so in that case, operate the forward difference operator inside the bracket, then del of x square plus 3 times of del of x plus del of 5, that is here using a linearly property of a difference operator. So we know that according to the statement of the given theorem, the nth difference of a polynomial of nth degree are constant, that is del n x to the power n is equal to constant, that is this is equal to n factorial, and all the higher order differences are 0, that is if we compute the n plus 1th forward difference of x की power n, then it is equal to 0. so here del x square means twice x plus 3 times of del x means 1 plus 0. so this is equal to 2x plus 3. so this is the first order forward difference on the function fx, where fx is equal to x square plus 3x plus 5. Similarly, here I am taking a question related to difference of a polynomial. Now question is, so evaluate del की power 3 है, del is the forward difference operator, so del की power 3 1 minus x 1 minus 2x 1 minus 3x. so explanation of this question, let a function fx is equal to 1 minus x 1 minus 2x 1 minus 3x and multiply these three linear factors, so we obtain minus 6x cube minus 6x cube plus 11x square minus 6x plus 1, this is equal to f of x. so the polynomial fx, that is the function fx, contain the degree 3. so in that case, therefore del to the power 3 f of x is equal to del की power 3 f of x is minus 6x की power 3 plus 11x square minus 6x plus 1, and here using the linearly property of difference operator, so this will be minus 6 del की power 3 x की power 3 plus 11 del की power 3 x square minus 6 del की power 3 x plus del की power 3 of 1. so according to statement of the differences of a polynomial, del की power n x की power n is equal to n factorial, so this is minus 6, here n is equal to 3, so this is 3 factorial plus 11. Higher order differences of a polynomial of degree should be 0, that is equal to 0. so here del की power 3 x square is equal to 0 minus 6 0 plus 0, so this is equal to minus 6 into 3 factorial is 6, so this is minus 36. so value of this function and operate this function the third degree forward difference, that is the third order difference on the function fx is equal to minus 36, where fx is equal to 1 minus x 1 minus 2x 1 minus 3x. now evaluate the third order forward difference of a polynomial x की power 4 minus 12x square minus 5x plus 7. so as we know that del की power n x की power n is equal to n factorial, del की power n plus 1 x की power n is equal to 0, and if we have say del की power 2 x की power 3, so this is del of x की power 3, so del of x की power 3 is 3x square, then 3 times of del of x square, so 3 into 2x, so this is equal to 6x. so using this concept in the given problem, so explanation of this problem is del की power 3 x की power 4 minus 12 x की power 2 minus 5x plus 7, and this is equal to del की power 3 x की power 4, that is using the linearity property of the difference operator. So minus 12 times of del की power 3 x square minus 5 del की power 3 x plus del की power 3 of 7. So del की power 3 x की power 4. So del की power 3 x की power 4 means del square del of x की power 4 minus 12 into del की power 3 x की power 3 is 0 minus 5 into 0 plus 0. So this is del square del of x की power 4 is 4x की power 3, and del 4 times of del of x की power 3. So 4 times of del of x की power 3 is 3x square, and 4 into 3 del of x square. So 4 into 3 del of x square is 2x. So this is 4 3 ja 12, 2 ja 24 of x. So the value of the given expression is equal to 24x. So this is the value of the given polynomial of the third order forward difference. So here I am taking another problem related to forward difference operator. So evaluate del की power 3, that is forward difference operator del to the power 3 y10 for the data given below. For the data given below means x arguments 10 20 30 40. So here interval difference h is equal to 10, and the y values corresponding to x arguments 1.1 2.0 4.4 and 7.9. So when we compute del की power 3 y of 10, so construct the forward difference table. So the forward difference table, write the x arguments 10 20 30 40, y values is 1.1 2.0 4.4 7.9. now total x arguments are 4. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So maximum third order forward difference present in the forward difference table. So first order forward difference of y, so this value minus this value, and this is equal to 0.9. this value minus this value, this is equal to 2.4. this value minus this value, and this is equal to 3.5. now the second order forward difference on y is 2.4 minus 0.9 is 1.5, 3.5 minus 2.4 is 1.1, and the third order forward difference on y 1.1 minus 1.5 is negative 0.4. so in the forward difference table, taking the values in this way, that is table values up to down. So this value is y10 corresponding to x, this is y10 del y10 del 2 y10 del cube of y10. so therefore del cube of y10 is equal to negative 0.4. If we compute the del 2 of y20, del 2 of y, this value is del 2 of y10, and this value is del 2 of y20. so del 2 of y20 is 1.1. now if we compute del of y30, del of y30 means this is y10, this del of y10, del of y20, and this is the del of y30. del of y30 is 3.5. so in this way we consider the table values in the forward difference table. So this is the basic fundamental of the relation between operators and how to compute the values of the polynomial as well as the different values like del की power 3 y10 for the given statistical data. So in the next class I will explain interpolation technique. So thank you very much.